Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Southern Coastal Highway in St. Thomas, Jamaica. We are at 11 miles in Bull Bay, and this is a new bridge that was built as part of the Southern Coastal Highway, the bridge we're looking at. So let's just give you some quick history of this project. This project is to build a highway from Kingston to Portland. That's phase one, and then phase two will be to build a highway from Negril to Manchester. Phase one is on the way, phase two hasn't started yet. So phase one is to build a highway from Kingston to Portland. Now let's take a look at the alignment, or where the highway is going to run. So the highway, it's 110 kilometers of road from Kingston to Portland, and then they have another 22 kilometers of road from, I think it's Morant Bay to Cedar Valley. So basically this project is broken up into pieces. So phase 1A is to build a highway from the Harbourview Bridge in St. Andrew to the Yallows Bridge in St. Thomas. That's phase 1A, and that is the phase we're looking at today. So let's break it down now. Phase 1A, from Kingston, or from the Harbourview Bridge to 11 miles in Bull Bay, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway. So that roadway is going to be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So a lot of structures had to be removed, a lot of buildings had to be removed. I can give you an example. The Bull Bay police station has to be rebuilt because it's within it has to be destroyed so that the highway can run through it. So from the Harbourview Bridge to 11 miles Bull Bay, it runs along the existing roadway, and that roadway will be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. Now where we are is 11 miles Bull Bay. So at this point, the highway is going to take a new alignment. It's going to be 4 lanes built over the hill. So it's no longer going to run along the existing roadway. So that's what the roadway we're looking at now is, the new road that was built over the hill, and that will run from 11 miles Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park area. Now when the highway comes out at the Suncoast Adventure Park area, it will run along the existing road, 4 lanes again, just like what we're looking at straight ahead, from the Suncoast Adventure Park to just outside Grandspen. And then the highway is going to bypass Grandspen and take a new alignment. A new road is being built, and that will bypass Grandspen and take you out by Albion. And then between Albion and the Yallows Bridge, it's going to run along the existing roadway, 4 lanes again, and that's where phase 1A will end. Then you have phase 1B, 1C, all the way to H. Now the good thing about this project is, unlike Highway 2000, all the phases are being worked on at the same time. So the section of the highway from the Yallows Bridge to where that section ends, work is being done. China Harbour Engineering Company is the main contractor, and they are responsible for the entire road. However, at some sections, they have subcontracted out the work to 10 local subcontractors. So the entire highway should be finished by 2025. However, some sections are finished already, and you can actually drive on those sections. Now, Highway 2000, the road from Kingston to Montego Bay, it's being built out in phases as well, but they're working on one phase at a time. The Kingston to Maypen leg is finished and it's up and running, and the Maypen to Mandeville leg they're working on, and that should finish early next year. And then they'll start the Mandeville to St. Elizabeth leg, and that will start only after this current leg is finished. But another big difference between this road and Highway 2000 is you don't have to pay toll to use this road. This is a free road. The road we're on, the Southern Coastal Highway, is free. just like the Northern Coastal Highway, but the Northern Coastal Highway is not of this quality road. It's not like this. And that road, the Northern Coastal Highway, is actually going to be upgraded very soon to look more like a road like this. And so the Southern Coastal Highway, it's not a toll road. So you don't have to pay toll to use it. So that's very important. Highway 2000 is a toll road. Alright, so that's a brief history of the project and to let you know where we are and what section of the highway we're on. You can search a channel for the finished sections highway, Southern Coastal Highway, to take a look at the finished sections of this road. Also, we have videos up actually driving from where we are 11 miles in Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park area on this new road that has been built, because the roadway is finished, so you can check that out also. Alright, we're just going to tell you quickly about the different phases in our section. So section 1A is from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge. Section 1B is from Yallus to Morant Bay. Section 1C is from Morant Bay to Manchinal. Section 1D is from Manchinal to Boston. Section 1E is from Boston to Ferry Hill. And Section 1F is from Ferry Hill to Williamsfield. And Section 1G is from Williamsfield to Port Antonio. And this roadway that we're looking at, the new one that's being built, it will be 2.8 kilometers a road or highway road from where we are to the Suncoast Adventure Park. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.